Looking to upgrade your car audio without breaking the bank? The Pioneer MVH-S110BT delivers great sound, reliable connectivity, and all the essentials you need for a modern in-car media experience. This 1-DIN digital receiver packs Bluetooth hands-free calling and audio streaming, so you can stay connected and play music wirelessly from your phone without distractions on the road. Pairing is quick and easy with both iPhone and Android devices, giving you access to your favorite playlists and podcasts on the go. You also get a front USB input that lets you plug in flash drives for instant playback of your music files, plus support for charging your device while you're cruising. The built-in AM/FM radio brings in all your local stations with clear reception, perfect for news, sports, and talk shows. On the sound side, this unit delivers 50 W/X4 output to your speakers, giving you solid, punchy audio that's a noticeable upgrade over factory stereo systems. For custom setups or bigger systems, the Mono RCA subwoofer output lets you add an amplifier or sub later if you want deeper bass or more power. The interface is straightforward and intuitive, with easy-to-use buttons that keep your focus on driving. It's a no-nonsense receiver that gets the job done, reliable, functional, and built by Pioneer's trusted reputation in car audio. If you want a simple, affordable way to bring Bluetooth connectivity, USB playback, and better sound to your vehicle, this unit checks all the boxes without complications. Click the link below for the best price.